Hello friends, let's learn how to create animated post in Canva. For this, just log into your Canva mobile app, select Instagram post, select the blank one, go to the elements, select swirl animated abstract. Keep it in your mind that I'm using only free elements over here. I'm using my free Canva account. These are all free available over here, so I'm selecting this one, which I just want to keep like this. I want to change the color of the page. Let's say I'm selecting this one. I'm going to add more elements. Let's say this one. We are only selecting the free one, right? See all. I want to have another colored one, this one. Okay, add this. Okay, like this butterfly. Now I must run this. Okay, this should be small, I guess. This one is okay. Now I would like to add some text over here. Go to the plus sign, go to the text option, make it. I want to change the size of the font like this here. Going to delete this one and color I want to use this. Okay, and similarly I can add more text. Make it. Okay, if you want to add more animations, whole post, now animate. How is it? Let's which one is better? Let's say I'm selecting this one. Okay, play it. So guys, this is the way you can easily create these type of animated videos in your Canva free account. Hopefully you like this. Like my channel, subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.